that was 5 yards of concrete, and the bill is just under $800 for 5 yards of concrete. My finger out of there. So the bill come out. Oh yeah, my bill. $858, and those are what are on the list. For the 5 yards was seven. All right. So again, deal with the charges, and actually my price was, because it was a short load and not a full load. Anything over 6 yards is 6 yards with them is a considered a full load, and he said it was more expensive for a full load than you'd be in charge for a short load. And if you have to have it done on Saturdays, they charge you another $75. So that's Spalina, and that's their charges. So, and here's what I could not do. This is what I want the professionals to do. Nice and smoothed out. It's gonna be beautiful. Finally. And that's, I think my average depth was just about 5.5 inches. And this should have been fiberglass. I think fiberglass reinforced at 4,000 psi. These are all the ingredients. All right. All right. I like it. Beautiful. Holy cow. Beautiful. All right, appreciate it. Yeah, definitely. Yep, I should be able to roll anything around on that. Yep. Very
well,
nice.
We're gonna go to the next one.
Okay.
You have a nice day.
I appreciate it. How many you do a day?
What's that?
How many you do a day? Average. Try and schedule in
we do
2,
a
3.
couple a week.
Oh, okay.
Gotta get them ready sometimes. And...
This was an easy one for you.
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
Nice meeting you, and I thank you very much.
Well, same to you, and definitely you'll have my recommendations. So I may have you back out again to do this side here eventually. Unfortunately, that piece of plate cloth cost more than the concrete did.
Yeah, I bet. Yeah. That looks heavy.
Yeah, it's that's half inch plate.
Okay.
It was $805 with the cut. Weighs what do you say? 400 pounds. So I had them split it and use their plasma and split it for me. So that's all I needed it for. It was actually more than I needed, but
yeah.
I don't want the car flipping over while it's on it, you know. Yeah. So I didn't want to take any chances. But this is and we are done. He says 3 days, and I'll be able to drive a vehicle on it, and we'll be good to go here. And then about he says 3 weeks, I should be able to go ahead and put my lift in here. So it'll be about that by the time I'm able to do that. So really not too much to it. I did the flooring on it and got it level with the gravel. I bought the rebar for it. You can see how the rebar was laid in the end. The main rods went straight down, and then he laid the mesh right on top of that. So there we go. All right, so to clean this up. Thank you, Mike, for doing this awesome job for me, and we'll definitely catch you on the next Dana Crosby's vlogs. Alright, just a quick update. It's now 4 hours after it was finished, so they're saying I gotta wait about 3 days before I can put a vehicle on here. So but it's looking really good. I had a couple of bugs that are now going to be fossilized in there, but I made my mark. 2020. It's looking really good, nice and smooth, and a little bit of excess on the outside here, so I kind of formed it myself, so I got a decent ramp to roll up in. I don't know, I'm probably gonna leave the plywood or 2x4 in there for now, and then gotta get that crazy piece of rebar out of there. But I just have to wait till it all dries, and then I can eventually pop that piece of wood out of there. The other ones I'm not really concerned with. They were I kind of put them in there permanently. So this was the excess of 5 yards concrete, so I didn't do a bad job. It wasn't 2 inches, because it's just about 6, so they did send a little more. Well, I don't know if they sent a little bit more, but that's what it took. So it wasn't exactly six inches, which 5 yards will do. 6 inches. So it's just under 6 inches. So it did really good. I don't know if that would take it. Might have taken it.